As we walk in the house, we can see how wide and nice the hallway is, high ceilings. You have here a place to put your coats, shoes, and on the left side you have a half bathroom, which is really convenient and nice. As we walk in, obviously we have the open space to the living room, lots of cabinets area and storage area with the gas fireplace, big size of living room, good place to entertain and host people and enjoy. On the right side here, we have an office, which is really nice as well, to have a good space to do some work, get some stuff done, or you can make it a different room if you like. But an office is a good idea, good space as well here. As we go into the kitchen, open concept kitchen, kitchen island. You have a nook here, dining nook as well. You can sit on the island, which is pretty cool. Big oven, 6 pallets, big stove. For people that like to cook is amazing. And it's a good place to have cooking, lots of room and space to do stuff, storage, everything that you need. Going outside to the backyard, you have a covered patio for rainy days. You can still sit and enjoy outside when it's not too cold. You have some grass area to play with the kids or for the dog. Really cute backyard. And the best place to entertain, it's covered, which is amazing. Now this house has 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, just below 2,600 square feet. All the rooms are upstairs. Downstairs is more of entertaining area, which is good, give you like privacy and quietness, and people don't need to go upstairs for no reason. So on the left side will be your primary bedroom. Big size of the primary bedroom. Good place for the parents to enjoy and relax after a hard day. Really good size. Of course, double vanity, full mirror, walk-in shower. You have a step here to sit and relax. And the closet is just massive. This is like huge. Very big, it goes all around. That's cool. Here's another bedroom. Laundry room, which is a big bonus to have it on the 2nd floor. Easy. Another good size of bedroom. And another full bathroom.